All right, guys, for our lesson today, thank you for your patience with it being kind of fuzzy. There's something wrong with my other computer. But anyways, we're talking about counting larger numbers, two-digit numbers. And when we talk about a two-digit number, it means that we have a digit that's in the ones place and a digit in the tens place. And really, when you think about this number, 34, it's actually like two numbers together. It's 30 and it's 4. And they're using these buckets of tennis balls as a way of kind of helping you understand that. So in each one of these buckets, there's 10 tennis balls. So we learned to count by tens a long time ago. So let's do it. 10, 20, 30. So there's 30 groups of 10. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 extra balls. So 30 and 4 together make 34. And here they're asking you how many more would it take in order to get to 40. So if you're at 34, there's 34 right here, right there. And if we wanted to get to 40, 40 is right there. How many jumps would it take? It would take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps. So it takes 6 jumps to get to the next decade number, which is 40. Let's do another page. And here we had 2 buckets. So 2 buckets of tennis balls is the same as, or 10 tennis balls is 20 plus 3 more. And that number becomes 23. And how many fewer to make 20? If we went backwards to 20, that would be a minus 3. You just put 3 there, that's fine. Down below, we have 10, 20, 30, 40. So 4 groups of 10 plus 5, 6, 7, 8. And that makes 48. And how many more would it take to get to 50? It would take 2 more to get to 50. All right. Today's math assignment, we're going to do things a little bit differently. And I'm going to exit out of here and show you what today's is going to look like. Today we're going to be talking about adding on a number line. And this is really important because we're going to be doing a lot of that this year. So we have two-digit numbers. We have 65 plus 14. It's real important to remember that you don't always have to start with the larger number or the smaller number. I like to start with the larger number just because I think it helps me to add a smaller number. Maybe I'm kind of lazy that way. So the first thing to do is to put a mark on your number line. And that mark on your number line could be one of these 2 numbers as your starting point. So I'm going to start with 65. Now, I'm going to be adding 14 to 65. But remember what we just talked about. 14 is actually 2 different numbers. It's 10 plus 4 more. Okay? There's 1 group of 10s and there's 4 ones. So the first thing I want to do is I want to jump from 65 10 spots. And again, when we're counting by tens, okay, it's really simple. 65 plus 10 more is 75. If I had 10 more to that, it's 85. And 10 more to that is 95. So we're changing the tens by 1 spot, 65 to 75. Now I've got to count 4 more. 75, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 more. So each one of those is a jump of 1. So 75 and 1 is 76. 76 and 1 is 77. 77 and 1 is 78. And 78 and 1 more is 79. 79. So our first answer has been done for us. Okay. And again, what we did, let's see if I can do this. Might not be as nice as it is with the smartboard, but maybe going backwards. All right. So what we did is first we took the large number, 65, we put it on the number line. The next thing we did is we thought about that other number, and we really broke it apart into its two different parts. It's 10 and 4. And then we thought, well, 10 is one jump of 10. So we went from 65 plus 10, and that landed us at 75. And then we went 4 more jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we recorded that down below. There's 76, 77, 78, and one more jump brought us to 79. All right, you're going to do that for this number right here. Then you got another page of addition on the number line. And then finally, there is a word problem. Again, push that button, and that will read the word for you in English and in Spanish. And then use this number line to do your addition. All right, that is our math lesson for today. Good luck.